Today I'm going to be reviewing GORNVB's Magnesium Glycinate Gummies. I'd like to thank them for sending these to me to review. These are for adults and kids. This is what they look like. If you're 6+, you're going to take one of these. If you're an adult, you're going to take 2 of the gummies. Now, it is non-habit forming. It's vegan, sugar-free, tastes great. All those things that you want to see in a gummy for kids. It does not have melatonin or anything that would be habit forming for a kid or for an adult. So if you're looking for another way to help you fall asleep and support your immune system, this is going to be a great product. I'm going to put the ingredient list on here. But this has the magnesium glycinate, L-Theanine, vitamin B6, lemon balm, chamomile, lavender, zinc, GABA, vitamin C, calcium, D3 plus K2. So all that to help you fall asleep. This does really well on Amazon, gets 4.7 stars, 24 reviews, and last month 200 plus of the 1-pack were bought. You get 60 in here, and they also do sell a 2-pack. So if you want more, check that out. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.